How's it going, everybody, and welcome back. So this is gonna be like a vlog type video, and it's gonna be a couple days worth, actually. One thing I got recently, another 2.5 part came in the mail. This is a crank pulley bolt. It's just a big bolt. So nothing really exciting. And I got a valve cover gasket. I can't remember if I told you about that, but parts are still coming. Everything's chugging along. In this video, I guess there's like two parts to this video. First, tonight I am headed to K1 Speed in Richardson to do a little indoor karting, which is super exciting. It's for a friend's birthday, so you know, it should be fun. Hopefully there's not a ton of people there. But something that I've really needed ever since the first autocross was a helmet. I don't want to wear somebody else's sweaty helmet in Texas. It's gonna be hot and it's just kind of gross. And at K1 Speed, I was sick a few weeks ago and I went and I was like, wow, other people wear these helmets that could be sick like me. And I feel really bad about it. So I picked up my own helmet. This is just a Bell. It's matte black. I really like the way it looks. I just wanted something simple. And I put a GoPro on it, so hopefully I'll have some cool footage of go-karting and autocross in the future. I'm gonna head to K1 Speed. Let me know what you guys think of the GoPro footage. Just gonna cut right to it. Let me know what you guys think of the GoPro footage, and if you have a helmet, what are your solutions for mounting your GoPros to it? I've never had a helmet before, so I think this is kind of what I wanted, straight on. I didn't want like a side mount or anything, so hopefully this works well. But let me know in the comments below what you guys think, and we'll catch back up right after some go-karting. I do apologize that they would not let me use my GoPro on the track. I guess at K1 Speed, I don't know, their explanation was really weird as to why I couldn't use it. They said that they had issues with people using them in the past. I don't know what that means. Go-karting was awesome. If you haven't ever done like the indoor electric carts or the outdoor gas carts, I highly recommend it. It's super fun. It's a good way to get out and get on a track, drive something around fast. It's really fun. So, judging by the title of this video, I'm sure you guys already know, I am going to trade my RoadsterSport single race muffler. It is the muffler that I've had on for the last like just about 4 years. I've had it on pretty much since I got the car, actually. And what I wanted to do before I gave it up was do a proper like exhaust noise video. So I've got my GoPro set up here. I've also got a microphone that is going to run into the trunk. So I'm going to basically get some exhaust clips of this. I'm gonna put them up as a separate video as well so people can reference it in the future. But for this video, you guys will see it. And then I'm going to put on the new muffler, compare them, and see which one I like better, I guess. Of course, once I do trade, I won't be able to go back. So tomorrow, today is Saturday, tomorrow on Sunday, I'm going down to Glen, Texas to trade with someone. I love this muffler. I've had it for a while. I just want something different. I want something maybe a little bit quieter because driving the car every day, it truly has gotten to me how loud it can be on the highway. So I'm going to trade with someone. I'm going to pick up a RoadsterSport 2, so it's a dual outlet. That means I might pick up that eBay diffuser. Let's go to some driving. I'll show you some exhaust notes, and then we'll move on to going to Glen, I guess. All right, so we are back from Glen Rose. I hope you enjoyed the little extra bits I threw in there. Mainly, we went down there to get the muffler, but there are like dinosaur tracks in the river down there. I've always wanted to go see that. It was really cool to walk in the river and like step in actual dinosaur footsteps. So that was pretty cool, but now back to the muffler. I'm gonna grab it out of the trunk. All right, and after a nice day trip to Glen Rose, we have the new muffler here. A little dirty, but we'll clean it all up. I also got the included baffles with it, which I most likely won't be using these, but at least I got them. So as you can see, hopefully, this is the RoadsterSport 2 with the dual outlets. So I'm going to quickly clean this up, throw it on, and then we'll do a little test start. So here is the new muffler all installed. Again, this is the RoadsterSport 2. So I'm gonna go ahead and start it up, and then we'll go for a little drive and see how she sounds. It sounds totally different. It's so quiet at idle. Oh. I'm excited to hear what it sounds like and what the tone is out driving. So we're gonna jump in and just do a little drive real quick and we'll go from there. So in the lower RPMs, it is such a huge difference compared to the RoadsterSport Race Single. I mean, I don't even know if you guys can hear it right now, but you give it a little gas. It's a totally different tone. There's not as many like pops and burbles as there used to be, which is fine. But this is like much more daily driverable, if that's even a word. All right, I've got the windows down. I'm cruising at like 20. Now let's do a pull up to like 6,000 RPM. It's so much quieter, but it sounds good. Pretty sporty still, just a little less like aggressive. All right, so I'm at home now. God, it's hot out today. The new muffler, the RoadsterSport 2, sounds great. It sounds way different. Like, I thought it was gonna be at least similar, but it is totally different than the RoadsterSport Race Single. So big shout out to you, Casey. I hope you're watching this video. Thank you for trading me. I hope you enjoy the much louder Race Single. I'm loving the RoadsterSport 2 so far. I can't wait to get out on the highway tomorrow and kind of see how it sounds. I'm curious to see what like the drone is. Otherwise, I love it so far. It's a lot quieter. It's exactly what I was hoping for. I'll do its own little exhaust video like the one you guys saw earlier. Keep an eye out for that, just like a reference video. I'm going to close out this video here. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button below. Leave your likes, leave your comments. Comment below what kind of exhaust setup you have on your NC. I'd be curious to check out some sound clips and everything. See you guys in the next video. Hope you enjoyed this one, and later.